Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Nimra Saeed and my ID is F2191091054. My presentation topic is cubic spline. First, we discuss the definition of cubic spline. A function S belongs to C square AB is called cubic spline on AB if S is a cubic polynomial Si in each interval xi xi plus 1 interval. The cubic spline defined on AB interval is called cubic interpolating spline if any number of Sxi is equal to yi for given values of yi. Cubic interpolation is the process of constructing a spline fxi n plus 1 to R which consists of any polynomials of degree 3. The cubic splines define on degree 3 polynomials. Cubic interpolating is based on ingenious tool used to draw smooth curves through a number of points. Now we see the graph of cubic spline. Cubic spline method used for more precise value of any points. Like x0 to x1, x1 to x2, x1 to x2 in piecewise function. The essential idea is fit to piecewise function of the form Sx equal to S1x, S2x, Sn minus on interval x1 to xn, where Si is a third degree polynomial. Third degree polynomial, then Si, and then the equation of cubic polynomial is Six equal to Ai x minus xi whole cube plus Bi x minus xi whole square plus Ci x minus xi plus Di. And is equation number 1. I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. The first and second derivative of these n minus 1 equation are fundamental to these process, and there are the first derivative of equation number 1 is Si dash x is equal to 3ai x minus xi whole square plus 2bi xi minus x plus ci. It is equation number 3, and the second derivative is equation number 3, and I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. The properties of cubic spline. The piecewise function S dash x will be interpolate all data points. And second property is Sx, and first and second derivative will be continuous all data points on interval x1 to xn. Piecewise function interpolate all data points. We can conclude that Sxi is equal to yi. Now for I is equal to 1 to n, now we find the values of constant numbers a, b, c and d. Sxi is equal to Si, and we use equation 1 to produce xi. Sxi is equal to yi is equal to Sixi because Sixi is equal to Sxi is equal to Sixi. Then put the equation number 1, then we take put equation number 1, then we find y is equal to di. I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. Since the curve Sx must be continuous across in entire interval, it can be concluded that each subfunction must join at the all data points. So Sixi is equal to Si minus 1 xi. I is equal to 2 to n. Now yi is equal to di. Sixi is equal to di. No. Si minus 1 xi is equal to Si ai minus 1 xi minus 1 whole cube minus bi minus 1 xi minus 1 plus c and d, which is for 2 to n minus 1, as equal to xi minus 1 put into equation. Then we find the value of di. Di is equal to ai minus 1 h cube plus bi minus 1 h square plus ci minus 1 h plus di minus 1 for interval 2 to n minus 1. The derivative must be equal all data points. The first derivative Si dash xi is equal to Si minus 1 dash xi by equation number 2. By equation number 2, Si dash x, then Si dash is equal to Ci, constant Ci. The constant Ci value gives the calculating the values, then Ci is equal to 3ai minus 1 s square plus 2bi minus 1 h plus Ci minus 1. I is equal to 2 to n minus 1. From equation number 3, the second derivative is 6ai s xi minus xi plus 2bi. Now calculate the value. 2bi is equal to si double derivative of xi. This is the equation number 4. Lastly, since si double derivative has continuous across the interval si double derivative xi, the interval si plus double derivative xi. Now calculating the value, we find the equation number 5. Then a is equal to xi plus 1 minus xi. 2bi plus 1, 6ai plus 2bi. This is equation number 6. This equation is the conclusion of equation number 4 and equation number 5. If we let si double derivative xi is equal to mi, then we find the values of ai, bi, ci and di. This is a constant numbers. Si double derivative xi is equal to 2bi, mi is equal to 2bi, bi is equal to mi over 2. Di has already determined di is equal to y. Using equation number 6, then 2bi plus 1 is equal to 6ai plus 2bi. 6. Now we calculate the value. Calculating the equations, we find ai is equal to b mi plus 1 minus mi over 6 h. It is the value of ai. Ci can be written as di plus 1 ai h cube plus bi h square plus ci h plus di. To calculate the value, then we find the ci. Ci is equal to yi plus 1 minus yi over h minus mi plus 1 plus 2 mi over 6. No, this system can be handled more conveniently by putting them into matrix forms. The cubic spline method used to matrix form. The cubic splines has three types. First type is natural spline, parabolic runout spline, cubic runout spline. First we discuss the property. First we discuss the example of cubic spline. A cubic function s is defined as sx equal to s naught x equal to 3x minus 1 plus. It is a piecewise function. The interval is 1 to 3. We find first derivative f dash of 1 and is equal to f dash of 3 and a, d, c. We find the value of a, d and c. Given f dash of 1 is equal to f dash of 3. So x equal to 3 plus c1 x minus 1 minus 3x minus whole square. It is equation number 1. And equation number 2, this is equation number 2 and second derivative is equation number 4. There are c1 constant, s naught 2. If we put 2 in the place of x, then s12 is equal to a1 is equal to c1 in equation number 1. If we put 2 in